All right, guys, we are at Kings Island. It's Memorial Day weekend, and guess what? We are headed to Adventure Port because we have found out that Cargo Loco and possibly Adventure Express, but we know for sure Cargo Loco and Adventure Express is now open in Adventure Port, so we can't wait to go check them out. So here we go. All right, guys, we're walking into Adventure Port as we speak. On the other side of the Delirium queue here, we can already see people in line for Cargo Loco. Super exciting. We knew that it was going to open at some point here soon because they were testing it so much, but didn't realize that it was going to be today. Thought it was going to be over the weekend sometime. So really excited to see it now open. Really cool. They have the new boat now. Dropping off cargo here at the port. Really sweet. So let's go on into Cargo Loco and Adventure Port here at Kings Island, now open. All right, let's head into the line. Cargo Loco.
You don't even put your cup down.
Really cool. All the theming looks really awesome. So we are here in the storage depot. Awesome to use the Banshee from here. Delirium. All right, guys, we're gonna stand in line, and then we're gonna go on to the ride. So we'll see you after the ride.
If you want to go faster, spin counterclockwise. Counterclockwise.
To your left. Hey guys, we just got off of Cargo Loco, and what did you guys think? Hayden, Addison?
Great!
Did you like it, Hayden?
It was good.
It was good? Did you guys like that it didn't spin super quickly? It's a great family edition. Really excited about this addition to Kings Island and this new Adventure Port area. It looks absolutely amazing. Awesome job, Zamperla, Kings Island, for putting in an awesome new family attraction that everybody can join in on. Hayden, what'd you think again?
It was great.
It was great. Addison?
It was great.
So I guess it's great. So we're going to head out and check the rest of Adventure Port out, and hopefully be back for Soul Spin here soon and go check out Adventure Express. So that is our experience on Cargo Loco. See you in the parks. All right, guys, we have Soul Spin testing. Check that out.
I'm trying to get out.
Soul Spin is now testing. everybody, we just got off Cargo Loco and now we're going to check out the rest of the Adventure Port. You can see they've added a bunch of theming into here. You can see Enrique's, Provisions, etc. We have Jam for Blue Ridge Junction. Ha! Carowinds Easter egg. We have more cargo over here. You can actually see that Soul Spin was testing while we were in line for Cargo Loco. It's now up in the up position right now, so they must be getting close to getting the ride handed over to Kings Island Ride Ops to start running. So Zamprella's here working on the commissioning of the ride as we speak. See more theming that's been added since we were here last. You can actually see the Outpost 2 logo there. Very cool. Soul Spin is actually in the up position as we stated. Zamprella's here commissioning and working on the ride as we speak. So let's go check out Adventure Express. You can see the new entrance here is looking awesome. You can see it right there, the head. So let's go ahead and take a walk into Adventure Express. Soul Spin commissioning going on as we speak. Wow, this area looks awesome back here. Check out the Adventure Express sign. Looks super, super cool. Posters in the background. We'll check those out when we come back through.
48 inches to right.
Backside of Soul Spin. Very cool. New Adventure Express queue area. More theming. Get your passports ready. Who's ready to ride Adventure Express?
Also, I hope my flip-flops don't fall.
Hayden is ready to ride Adventure Express. Oh, look at that. How cool is that? So cool, the new posters. Wow, look at the new theming in the station here, really neat. So cool. Added all that stuff up along the top there. Track 1, track 2, Soul Spin Ruins. So cool. Love the new theming. Check it out. All right, guys, we're gonna get ready to get on Adventure Express and see what they got to ride. Oh, there's more theming in the back there. All right, let's go take a ride.
Have fun.
All right, we're getting off Adventure Express. What do you think, guys? I thought the theming was really, really cool. The monkeys and the abandoned trains and the other stuff that was throughout the ride. I won't spill all of it. So cool, a lot of theming and everything as we expected with what's going on. Look, Soul Spin is still up there. All right, so this is going to wrap up our Adventure Report update at this point. No longer really a construction update except for Soul Spin now. It's Adventure Express and Cargo Loco now open. So it's a construction update / rides opening update. So we will see you guys in the park. Check out these awesome posters. And come out and enjoy the new rides of Adventureport, and we'll see you in the parks.